In this video, we're going to illustrate the Lofted Cut feature by designing a small home and recall some fundamental features that will be in each design. I have already designed the box. If you are new, click on the I button and watch how to extrude. Center lines are annotations that mark the center of a circle, rectangle, square, or any shape, and describe the geometry size on drawings. In each design, we will utilize it. To show you how to loft cut, draw two rectangles on the opposite sides of the box. We can loft between any two patterns. Move to Lofted Cut feature. Select one side from each rectangle. It must be parallel to the other. Let's finish this home. Draw a corner rectangle. Fillet the edges. We have discussed in a previous video about fillet. You can check it out in the I button. Dimensions are important. Make sure you settle them correctly. Make sure you select a sketch on the face plane that you need to draw on. Use the Lofted Cut feature to subtract the home's door place. We can use extruded cut instead of that, but it's your call. In a similar way to all windows holes, draw a rectangle from the exterior wall, get on the interior side and sketch it up. Then cut it off. Keep in mind, appoint the patterns in parallel to get an orderly structure. We have spoken of the Lofted Boss feature. You can hit the I button and check it out. Let's try to loft cut between different shapes, a circle and a polygon. The home is almost done. We have explained offset, extrude cut, and extrude boss. We're gonna use these features to draw a door and windows. There are many directions in extrude boss. We used to choose the blind direction, but today let's try out the middle plane. It does make much sense in this design. Later, I'll use each direction in an appropriate design. In 3D sketching, a graphical space handle helps maintain your orientation while you sketch on several planes. The space handle appears when the first point of a sketch entity is defined on a selected plane. Using the space handle, you can select the axis along which you want to sketch. Let's use the 3D sketch to draw the dorsal grip. To change orientation, press over Tab on the keyboard. We already discussed revolved boss and fillet. Hit the I button, you'll find them out. To create the window, do the same steps that we did to the door, but instead of mid-plane direction, select blind reverse direction. I have already added clear glass material. Later on, I'll show you how to add materials. We have mentioned how to add a plane. Let's design this smokestack on this new plane. The mirror feature helps us to save time. We're gonna use it a bunch. It's another direction type, up to surface. All types are workable. It's your call to choose the easiest direction to complete your design. And finally, shell the head of the smokestack. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.